So this thing is so much better than what came with the Switch, that big clunky black thing with poor access. So we got a couple USB ports, fold down so it looks neat, and it even has a nice little bit of branding to it. It's very, very small, very, very discreet, rubberized bottom. Yeah, this is great. So if you have a second TV and you want a docking station just on the standby, this is probably the best one I've seen or even come across. It works excellent with even the OLED. We have no power issues. See, nice happy power. Connects great, full quality. No, I could not be happier with it. It's very compact. It holds the Switch extremely firmly, which I'm happy about. Yeah, better than what they send you, that's for sure. And it's nice and discreet. So if you want something solid, safe, small, I strongly recommend this one. 5 stars. I hope this was helpful.